So we're talking about, like, how a French finance minister from the 1700s, like, inadvertently helped fund a statistical institute in India almost 2 centuries later?
It sounds kind of wild, but yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. It's all tied to the word silhouette.
Silhouette, like the shadow portrait thing?
Exactly. It's a classic eponym, a word named after a person. In this case, Étienne de Silhouette, Louis XV's finance minister.
Okay, I'm intrigued. So how does a French finance guy end up influencing Indian statistics?
Well, Silhouette was in charge during a massive financial crisis. He, slashed spending, taxed the rich, and became super unpopular.
Sounds like your typical finance minister then, huh?
Pretty much. Because of his austerity measures, anything cheap or, budget-friendly was called à la Silhouette.
Ah, I see where this is going. So the shadow portraits, being a cheaper alternative to painted ones, got that name too?
Bingo, they were mocked as portraits à la Silhouette, and the name just stuck. Eventually, it became the standard term.
Okay, so fast forward a couple of centuries. How does this connect to PC Mahalanobis and the Indian Statistical Institute?
Mahalanobis invented this thing called the Profiloscope in 1932. It was a device for taking precise facial measurements.
What was wrong with the existing methods, though?
Before the Profiloscope, they used calipers and manual measurements, which were, inaccurate, intrusive, and slow. The Profiloscope fixed all that.
So it's like a digitized version of the silhouette, capturing precise data instead of just a shadow outline?
Exactly. It turned physical features into data that could be, analyzed mathematically.
And this Profiloscope played a key role in securing funding for the ISI, right?
Yep. Lord Linlithgow, the Viceroy of India, visited the ISI in 1938. Mahalanobis showed him the Profiloscope and its applications.
Linlithgow was impressed by the practical applications of statistics, especially in agriculture.
Right. He saw how Mahalanobis was using data to, solve real-world problems.
So the Viceroy's visit led to a substantial research grant for the ISI.
Absolutely. It was a watershed moment, solidifying the importance of statistics in India.
So the Profiloscope helped Mahalanobis demonstrate the value of his work, leading to crucial funding.
Exactly. It showed how statistics could be used for national governance, not just academic research.
And Mahalanobis went on to become a pioneer in data science.
No doubt. He laid the groundwork for the National Sample Survey and the Central Statistical Organization.
It's amazing how a simple shadow portrait connects to such significant developments in Indian statistics.
It really is. It's a testament to how seemingly unrelated things can have a profound impact.
Let's dive a bit deeper into the Profiloscope itself. How did it actually work?
It used a fixed orientation with a headrest to ensure a perfect profile. A glass plate with a millimeter grid was placed between the camera and the subject.
So it eliminated human error and parallax distortion.
Precisely. It allowed researchers to measure distances directly from the photo.
And this data was used for large-scale anthropometric surveys.
Yes, ISI researchers traveled across India, measuring thousands of individuals.
The Profiloscope helped standardize data collection and create a permanent visual record.
It was revolutionary for its time, throwing physical identity into digitizable data.
And the data from the Profiloscope was used to calculate the Mahalanobis distance, right?
Exactly. Mahalanobis used the measurements to determine the statistical distance between different ethnic or social groups.
So he could study the relationships between different populations based on their physical features.
Yes. For example, he used it to determine how closely related the people of Bengal were to those in other regions.
It's fascinating how he applied mathematical rigor to the study of human biology.
He was truly ahead of his time.
You mentioned that Lord Linlithgow was an agriculturist by training. How did that influence his appreciation of Mahalanobis's work?
Linlithgow had chaired the Royal Commission on Agriculture in India. He understood the importance of data in solving agricultural problems.
So he recognized the practical utility of Mahalanobis' sample surveys.
Absolutely. He saw how statistics could be used to estimate crop yields and improve agricultural practices.
And this led to the creation of a central statistics unit in India.
Yes, Linlithgow realized that the government needed a central thinking shop for data.
The Viceroy's endorsement also silenced skeptics who doubted Mahalanobis' sampling methods.
Exactly. It gave the ISI institutional credibility and paved the way for its future growth.
It's amazing how one visit could have such a profound impact.
It really is. It solidified the Mahalanobis era of Indian statistics.
And the Profiloscope of Lord Linlithgow was even reproduced in Sankhya, the statistical journal.
Yes, it was a testament to the significance of the visit and the importance of Mahalanobis's work.
It's a fitting tribute to a man who was well on his way to becoming the father of data science.
Absolutely. His contributions to statistics and data analysis are still felt today.
So we've gone from shadow portraits in 18th century France to data science in 20th century India.
It's a wild ride, but it shows how interconnected history can be.
It's a reminder that even seemingly insignificant things can have a lasting impact.
And that innovation often comes from unexpected places.
Mahalanobis' work with the Profiloscope and the Mahalanobis distance really does position him as a pioneer in data science.
He was using data to understand and solve complex problems long before data science became a buzzword.
His legacy continues to inspire statisticians and data scientists around the world.
Absolutely. He was a visionary who saw the power of data to transform society.
It's incredible how a word born from political spite ended up playing a role in shaping the field of statistics in India.
It's a fascinating story, and it highlights the importance of recognizing the contributions of figures like Mahalanobis.